this radiator's from the junkyard. It is not off a Mitsubishi. It's off a Honda Civic. But the Honda Civic had a newer Integra type motor swap in it. So don't even know if that was the correct radiator for that particular model. Don't even remember what year the model Honda was, but the dimensions were pretty close. The inlet and outlet for the radiator hoses are pretty close. And looks like the fittings are the same for the automatic transmission cooler, so maybe we can be hooking that back up. But found a radiator for it. What do you want? What do you want? What? Alrighty. Because we're like, you know, working at a junkyard here basically, so we got junkyard dogs.
I wonder which one was which.
Which was which what?
I bet that's the engine. That's how they had it on the other one.
Alright.
So we'll just wire that one up, and if we need to, this one, it's going to be a pain to figure out how to get in there.
It'll be a total zip tie job to put that one on.
Yeah, so we'll worry about that later if it doesn't work.
Honda radiator, Honda fan, Mitsubishi. Bottom mounts don't quite line up, so we're just putting a rubber hose over the two factory Mitsubishi mounts to add cushioning, and then we're going to run zip ties through the bottom. Because that's how we roll. But the top mounts, surprisingly, line up perfectly with the top mounts on the Honda radiator.
Yeah.
So
beautiful.
We had to drill a couple of holes there.
Can't do that for now, so I'll have to hook for holes.
Bring you back this way and set you up on my all-natural tripod with a dog in the view. And just kind of let you relish in the excitement.
Relish in the delinquency.
That too.
I guess we really didn't need to. What do you think? Leave these on there or just shove these back in the hole? Because they sit up.
Say leave it the way it is, because Honda radiators do fit in a Mitsubishi. You seen it here, folks.
That's ridiculous.
Zip ties to hold it in. They're not zipped up yet.
I think maybe you can watch that live.
Oh, the zip tie zipping?
Yeah, let's see. Right around the whole tank and the bracket.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be good.
Zoom right in on this too. It's gonna be awesome. Where are you connecting on the bottom?
Yeah, right down here.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh yeah. That's the sound of racing right there.
Is this thing sitting on the brackets over here?
Who cares? Just zip it.
I'm sure everything's somewhat in place.
The only thing we're missing is duct tape on these. A little bit of baling wire would help too.
Oh, I got sucked it in a little. That's nice. That's good. Next.
Look at this beauty. I know you're all jealous. I know.
Next thing is to hook up these tranny lines.
Hopefully. And then we can work on radiator lines, and then the fan. Fan's gonna have to be hardwired, isn't it?
Yeah. Should be easy. Just find the connector wherever it went.
Yeah, a couple of buck connections, and some electrical tape, and
Buck connectors.
buck connections. Look at that.
It has the same connector.
Yeah, right. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. That's for speed right there. That's air cooling is what that is. Y'all think that's just smashed in fender. No, that's actually cooling for the driver.
No, it's just a smashed in fender.
Yeah. No, the smash fender's on the other side.
Oh.
Yeah, custom fit cooling system on my Mitsubishi Mirage.
This thing moves back at all and sends that fan in the radiator again. We're screwed, but.
Well, another $32 and I'll go get another radiator. At least the car will already be set up. It'll be a quick swap.
Yeah. Yeah, I even cut the ends off.
Wow.
Alright.
Okay, transmission lines.
This is ridiculous. Stick it back on too.
Okay. Yeah, at least be a catch basin.
Yeah, that's all it is to begin with.
It's just got a hole inside.
It's at the top though.
Yeah.
Still do its job. Just flops around a little, that's all.
Here we go. Let's see if it's a good radiator. Little ground down, huh?
Panda boy was putting his B18 in his Civic.
Everybody knows the real money's in Mitsubishis. Damage fan's right behind you.
Right.
Oh, that one, yeah.
This is the connector, so I just put this pigtail there and we can keep our...
You just cut the butt splices off there. Because this looks like what they already did. You can even pull that fan out to do it. It's only 2 bolts. I'd do what I can. That's why I talked to you into doing a radiator in your car.
You're running, driving cars and running until they're done.
Hey, mine ran. Just quit running when I showed up here.
Except for all the front end damage.
Hey, that was fun though, wasn't it?
Oh yeah, real fun. My back's killing me.
You got all day tomorrow to recuperate with Mom. Nothing's leaking out, right? I'm hoping you guys will point it out to me if it is. I don't see anything. This is used coolant anyway, so. Gurgling on the upper hose. Just watching for dirt to come pouring out because this thing's full of some dirty coolant. I think that's about as far as we're going to go with that. Need a little bit more in there, but we're getting her. Battery's going in, radiator's full, lines are hooked up, moss falling from the trees. I think we got all the tools out from underneath it. Here's your red eye.
Red eye. Oh, that thing looks horrible.
Hey, here we go.
So far so good. Motor mount took a little wore out. Don't rev it up. Yeah? A little milkshake on the bottom side of this cap.
Well, this milkshake brought these boys to the
It's still very tight. Hopefully it seals. I'll tell you, I don't want to fix it. Oh yeah, it's right there. The safety latch actually grabs it.
Jump on the center of the hood.
Look at that big hammer.
Move back to the center of the hood. watch, we won't be able to get it open.
Get something under there?
I told you the side of that car went lower. This side looks pretty close. I told you this side was dropped.
Jesus, yeah. That's funny.
That's what we're gonna do with it.
That's great.
Alrighty. I'm gonna take her for a little bit.
We got to fling her around yet.
My camera's running. I'm not gonna do anything too stupid, but okay. Maiden voyage. Here we go. Yeah, let's put you up here. You ain't gonna be able to see a whole lot, but. Lose your keys already?
Running.
Found it around a couple of times. Kind of messed up your yard a little bit. Your what? So it might kind of messed up your yard a little bit on the other side.
Check for some leaks.
Yeah.
Pop it.
Yep. Look at that, it works. Yeah, it spins the tires, it gets up and goes good.
Look at your AC pump clacking.
That's fine, it probably took a hit.
Tiny ones.
Shifting.
Yeah, seems like everything's good.
I don't know how much you guys saw on the camera, but I'm going to end it here and we're going to go rip around for a little bit. We'll get some more stuff when we officially go racing. So, yeah, she's a runner.